Spotted a blob file in your Steam folder while troubleshooting and wondering what it stores? This file contains your Steam client's core configuration. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what Steam blob files do and how to handle them safely. If you frequently deal with unusual BLOB file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. A cache file used by Valve's Steam platform to store registration and configuration data. Users often encounter this file when troubleshooting Steam client issues, such as startup failures or connection problems. Deleting it forces Steam to regenerate the file, which can resolve various common errors and refresh the client's state. This is a binary file containing serialized data structures specific to the Steam client's internal workings. It's designed as a binary large object, BLOB, for rapid reading and writing of complex configuration settings, avoiding the overhead of text-based formats like XML or JSON, ensuring faster client startup and response times. Steam from Valve Corporation should be your first choice when attempting to open BLOB. The file requires specific permissions and handlers that Windows does not easily configure. Windows treats these files like plain text, but improper changes can disrupt system behavior. Begin the search for the correct application association. Right-click the BLOB file and choose Open With. Use Steam first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is necessary for all stubborn BLOB files. If the BLOB file is still refusing to open, it's expected. Since the file is so resistant, we need to turn to direct testing. Follow this list and test these failure points to see where the problem originates. First, understanding the file. BLOB files are managed automatically by the Steam client and should not be edited manually. Located in the Steam installation directory, they store critical client state. Modifying BLOB files can corrupt your Steam installation, requiring reinstallation or loss of preferences, so direct editing is strongly discouraged. Next, resolving Steam issues. If Steam exhibits strange behavior, close Steam completely and rename client registry, .blob to client registry, old in the Steam directory. Restart Steam, which creates a fresh blob file, resolving many common client issues. Your games and account remain intact as the BLOB only stores client preferences, not account data. Finally, backing up Steam data. For full Steam backup, copy the entire Steam folder to preserve BLOB files alongside game installations and configurations. Steam's built-in backup feature for individual games saves to SCS files separately. For account data, rely on Steam Cloud and Steam Guard rather than manipulating BLOB files, which require specific client versions. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. Having exhausted the troubleshooting methods for your file, you might need a dedicated universal file viewer. FileMagick is the industry leader in bypassing these issues. Download now at filemagick.com. Thank you for being a subscriber. If you're new here, tap that button for more specific file format guides.